Have you already thought about escaping your reality just for a weekend? On a sudden impulse, I'm taking you to a closed paradise just a few hours away from your home, Elba Island. A strong sense of delusion grows among me every time I think about it, yet it was real. Yes, we had enough time to kayak around Fetovaya. To swim into that crystal blue water. To ride a horse in a mountain. To play the seven dwarfs into the mines of Calamita. We also had enough time to discover sailing. To enjoy life on board. To taste local specialties. And also to sail around the famous Monte Cristo. It was short, but so intense, being as reckless as most children. Like innocent kids, we were filling our weekend with adventures. Enough to escape our daily life, just for a moment, like a whisper in a dream.
Are you comfortable
I'm
there?
comfortable.
I see you.
Say hi with your hand.
Hi with my hand.
Yeah.